Hello, Education 570, and welcome to Module 2. Let's check out what we need to accomplish. But first of all, I want to draw your attention to something in the discussion board. The personal introductions. If you've not yet done your personal introduction, please go ahead and do that. It did not show up in Module 1 the way this course is designed. But I do want you to make sure you do that so you can get to know each other and also earn some points for that. So make sure you do that. As we go to the modules, we'll check out the course content. Let's check out Module 2, Where is Technology Going? So this module is going to help you describe strategies for following and evaluating tech tools, tech usage to improve student learning, and explore tech integration resources. Let's check out the introduction section. Make sure that you are looking at this PDF as you start each of the modules together. There's helpful information on here to make sure that you are on track with where we're headed in the module. The required readings for this week. The video is here, another video as well, a report, some library articles and websites to check out. Make sure that you check out those things. And then we start with 2.1, Strategies for Selecting Technology. So you might be a little overwhelmed by the information presented in the readings. There's a lot of technology options and resources. One thing is, as educators, we need to remember that we narrow our focus. So what is going to be the best tool for what you're teaching? What's the best tool for your students, and what is a tool that you feel comfortable using as an educator? And also, what equipment do you have available sometimes plays into that. So please make sure you read through this information. Then in your initial post, share some of the items you found interesting that might have potential for your own teaching. Make sure that you have your initial post done by Wednesday at midnight and your 2 response posts done by Sunday at midnight. Both of those things need to be completed. It's really important that you do your first one by Wednesday so that people have something to write to when they do their response. Technology 2.2, Technology in Action, Leveraging Resources. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to play with at least 2 of the technology tools in the Iowa AEA online and then post for one of the 2 options per the Technology in Discussion in Action discussion guide. Why this product, an example of the product, do a screenshot, a link, and how you'll put this product into action. Okay? This is information on how to log in if you need it. So what you're doing is you're picking 2 of the Northwest AEA online tools, and then you answer in your initial post these 3 questions based on that tool. Then that is due by Wednesday at midnight. Sunday at midnight is your responses. Again, this is the username and password to be able to get in if you need it. The assignment guidelines and rubrics includes all of the information that you could need related to the final project and the discussion guidelines. Any questions or questions anyone is a place where you can go to get some questions answered that you might be having about the course. And I do try to check that pretty regularly to get back to you as well. So Module 2, as we check out how do we pick technology options, and then looking at the available AEA things. Have a great week, everybody.